How to uninstall AudioDirector. First of all, make sure that AudioDirector is closed before you begin the uninstallation process. Keeping the program open can cause errors during removal. Next, click on the Start button and select Settings. From the Settings menu, click on Apps, then select Apps and Features. Scroll through the list of installed applications or use the search bar to find CyberLink AudioDirector. Once you locate it, click on the app, then select Uninstall. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Uninstall again to proceed. Windows will then begin removing the program from your system. After the process completes, some leftover folders or files may remain in your Documents or Program Files directory. You can manually delete this if you want to free up additional space. Finally, restart your computer to ensure all changes are fully applied. Now you know how to uninstall AudioDirector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.